Hello friends, welcome to online course first order differential equation and its applications in week number 3, that is applications involving first order differential equation. I am Professor Shivaji S. Pawar. So today our lecture is second lecture, that is in second lecture we will take applications involving electrical circuit, that is modeling of electrical circuit using Kirchhoff's voltage law. Okay. So what is this Kirchhoff's voltage law? For solving the problems we have to use this statement. So Kirchhoff's voltage law states that in a closed loop the algebraic sum of the potential drops or voltage drops is equal to the total electromotive force applied. In a closed loop the algebraic sum of potential drops or voltage drops is equal to total electromotive force applied. Means suppose one electrical circuit is given, that's a electrical circuit containing resistance R and capacitance C with EMF E. Then means this way, suppose resistance R, capacitance C and with EMF E is given, say, then using Kirchhoff's voltage law, okay, here suppose I be the current flowing through the circuit, algebraic sum of potential drops or voltage drops is equal to total EMF. Means we can write Ri plus Q by C is equal to E. Then next one is current law. So Kirchhoff's current law is at any junction or node of circuit the current incomes is always equal to outgoing current. Means incoming current is always equal to outgoing current at any junction or node. Now for solving problems we have to use some notations here. We know that for resistance voltage drops across resistance. For that generally we use capital R notation, but here we have to use Ri where I is current flowing through the circuit. Same voltage drops across capacitance, for that we have to use Q by C notation. Generally we know that for capacitance we will apply C notation, मीन्स कैपेसिटेंस के लिए हम C यूज़ करते हैं, बट यहाँ पर हमें Q by C यूज़ करना है वेयर Q is the charge. And voltage drops across inductance, for that we have to use L into di by dt. जनरली इंडक्टेंस के लिए हम क्या यूज़ करते हैं, कैपिटल L यूज़ करते हैं, बट हियर वी हैव टू टेक L di by dt at any time t is time and I is current flowing through the circuit. So these are some notations for solving problems. We have to use this. Okay, now first one is RL series circuit. Means we will see some simple circuits and with the help of KVL how to model that electrical circuit. Suppose one electrical circuit given, that circuit containing resistance capital R and inductance L in series with voltage E are connected in series. Suppose I be the current flowing through the circuit, then according to Kirchhoff's voltage law, means circuit, because series circuit given है, that circuits containing resistance R, okay, inductance L and with EMF E connected in series. And suppose I be the current flowing through the circuit. So for resistance we have to use notation Ri, for inductance we have to use notation L into di by dt, and voltage is given in problem, that is E, here plus here minus. So this is the simple circuit diagram, and with the help of Kirchhoff's voltage law we have to find model of this electrical circuit. So what is KVL? Kirchhoff states that algebraic sum of potential drops or voltage drops is equal to total EMF, means L into di by dt plus Ri. So इक्वेशन क्या आएगा, L into di by dt plus Ri equal to क्या मिलेगा हमें, E. एंड दिस इज वन डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन. सपोज इस डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन से मुझे करंट फाइंड करना है, तो ओनली वी हैव टू फाइंड सॉल्यूशन ऑफ दिस डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन. सो लेट्स सी हाउ टू फाइंड सॉल्यूशन ऑफ दिस डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन. देखो यहाँ तक तो आपको समझ में आया होगा. अभी सर्किट से मॉडल कैसा फाइंड करना है, इक्वेशन कैसे फाइंड करना है विद द हेल्प ऑफ KVL. ओके, नाउ according to Newton's law of cooling we get this equation L di by dt plus Ri equal to E. देखो अब इसको मुझे सॉल्व करना है, तो ये इस L ने इसको यदि डिवाइड किया तो मुझे नेक्स्ट इक्वेशन क्या मिलेगा, di by dt plus R by L into I equal to E by L. So what is this, how we find solution of this differential equation? I think this is linear in I, means linear in I, yes, which is linear in I, means that is in the form of dy by dx plus py equal to q. Here instead of x we can take t notation. T is time, where p and q are functions of x here. And how we find solution of such type of differential equation? Using integrating factor. Integrating factor is equal to e raised to integration of p dx, and general solution is if linear in y, then we can write y into integrating factor. So this is linear in I. So and in next slide let us see how to find solution of this differential equation. Okay, so integrating factor is equal to, we know that integrating factor is equal to e raised to integration of p dt here. And what is the value of p? Value of p is r by l into dt. Okay, so if we take this r by l constant, if we take outside integral, then integration of dt is t, so we get integrating factor is e raised to rt by l. And general solution is, for general solution we have to use formula I, linear in I equation. differential equation क्या था? linear in I. so I into integrating factor is equal to integration of q. Q means right hand side, that is e by l, into integrating factor plus constant of integration c. So we have to use this formula here. So I into integrating factor is e raised to rt by l is equal to, देखो इस ये जो स्टेप है यहाँ पर डायरेक्ट है, तो इक्वल टू क्या आएगा? इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ ई बाय एल इंटू आई एफ, दैट इज ई रेज टू आर टी बाय एल डी टी प्लस कॉन्स्टेंट ऑफ इंटीग्रेशन सी. अब देखो ई बाई एल कॉन्स्टेंट है, वी कैन टेक आउटसाइड इंटीग्रल. इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ ई रेज टू आर टी बाई एल इज ई रेज टू आर टी बाई एल अपॉन आर बाई एल plus constant c, means we get this type. Okay, now this l get cancel here. So in next step, if we divide both side by e raised to rt by l, also this e raised to rt by l get cancelled. So remaining terms are e by r, this e by r plus c upon e raised to rt by l, that becomes c into e raised to minus rt by l. So this is the current I of RL series circuit. Okay, I think यहाँ तक तो आप सबको आपके समझ में आया होगा. मीन्स RL series सर्किट रहा तो इक्वेशन कैसे फाइंड करना है, उसका सॉल्यूशन कैसे फाइंड करना है. नेक्स्ट वन इज सपोज RC series सर्किट है. Same as last, if electrical circuit containing resistance capital R, capacitance C and voltage E are connected in series, if I be the current flowing through the circuit, then according to Kirchhoff's voltage law, yes, we can write equation here. देखो इलेक्ट्रिकल सर्किट कंटेनिंग रेजिस्टेंस आर, कैपेसिटेंस सी. यदि सर्किट डायग्राम फाइंड की तो क्या आएगी? देखो रेजिस्टेंस आर दिया है, कैपेसिटेंस है एंड वोल्टेज अगेन ई गिवन है. Okay, suppose I be the current flowing through the circuit. So this is the circuit diagram. Here we have to use notation Q by C for capacitance, and for resistance we have to use notation Ri, where I is the current flowing through the circuit. So with the help of KVL we can write Ri plus Q by C equal to E. So this is the modeling of this electrical circuit. And यहाँ पर we know that here I is equal to dq by dt. So if we put I equal to dq by dt, then we get again linear differential equation. So let us see again how to find solution of that differential equation. So with the help of KVL, here equation is Ri plus Q by C equal to E, but we know that I equal to dq by dt. If we put here, then R into dq by dt plus Q by C equal to E. देखो यहाँ पर यदि R ने डिवाइड किया तो क्या मिलेगा मुझे? dq by dt प्लस 1 अपॉन आर सी इंटू क्यू इज इक्वल टू E by R. So this is linear in Q. Okay, this differential equation is linear in Q. How we find integrating factor here? Integrating factor is equal to e raised to integration of p dt. What is the value of p? P is 1 by RC, means integrating factor क्या मिलेगा हमें? e raised to integration of 1 upon RC into dt. So this 1 by RC is constant, take outside integral, and integration of dt is t, so we get this. Integrating factor is e raised to t by RC, and general solution is linear in QA. So write Q into integrating factor is equal to this integration of, यहाँ पर मिलेगा हमें e by R into e raised to t by RC integrating factor plus constant of integration, take k here because C for capacitance. So instead of adding constant C, add constant of integration k here. Okay, now e by r take outside integral, and what is the integration of e raised to t by RC? That is e raised to t by RC upon 1 by RC, means we get this step then. ओके, सो दिस आर आर गेट कैंसल, ये सी ऊपर जाएगा, यहाँ पर ई सी मिलेगा, आणि रेस टू टी बाय आर सी ने डिवाइड किया तो ये भी कैंसिल हो जाएगा. मीन्स यहाँ पर क्या रहेगा, सिर्फ फर्स्ट टर्म में ई सी रहेगा एंड प्लस के इंटू ई रेस टू माइनस टी बाय आर सी मिलेगा. ओके, ये आया चार्ज क्यू. चार्ज से हम करंट फाइंड कर सकते हैं. इफ वी गेट चार्ज क्यू इक्वल टू दिस, देन हाउ वी फाइंड करंट? वी नो दैट आई इक्वल टू dq by dt, means using this, if we take derivative of this, then we get required current I. So these are some basic concepts. Now we will take some problems. Okay, so problem number 1 is a circuit consists of resistance R ohms and a condenser of C farads, means RC series circuit given है, कनेक्टेड टू ए कांस्टेंट ईएमएफ ई होल्ड्स. देखो, कनेक्टेड टू ए कांस्टेंट ईएमएफ ई होल्ड्स है, मीन्स देखो यहाँ पर केवीएल अप्लाई किया तो इसका मॉडल क्या आएगा, रेजिस्टेंस है, कैपेसिटेंस है एंड ईएमएफ ई ए. सो इक्वेशन मिलेगा हमें आर आई प्लस क्यू बाई सी इक्वल टू ई. If Q by C is the voltage, of the condenser at time t after closing the circuit, then show that the voltage at time t equal to E into 1 minus e to the power minus t by RC. Means we have to show that voltage at time t is, and voltage at time t is given a Q by C. means हमें क्या प्रूव करना है, Q बाई सी की जो वैल्यू है वो क्या आनी चाहिए, E इंटू 1 माइनस ई टू द पावर माइनस टी बाय आर सी. सो लेट अस प्रूव दिस. फर्स्ट, यूजिंग किरचॉफ्स वोल्टेज लॉ, हाउ टू राइट डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन. दैट डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन इज, देखो आर आई प्लस क्यू बाई सी इज इक्वल टू ई मिला हमें यहाँ पर. यूजिंग किरचॉफ्स वोल्टेज लॉ, differential equation is Ri plus Q by C equal to E, but we know that, और first divide by R here, R ने divide किया तो I plus Q upon RC is equal to E by R मिला, but we know that I equal to dQ by dt, put here, then dQ by dt plus Q by RC equal to E by R. So this is linear differential equation in Q. Okay, how we find solution? For solution, first we have to find integrating factor here. So for integrating factor, we know that formula e raised to integration of p dt, and the value of p is 1 upon RC. So e raised to integration of 1 upon RC into dt. So 1 by RC, if we take outside integral this, integration of dt is t. So integrating factor is e raised to t by RC. Okay, now we have to find solution of this differential equation. So this is linear in Q. So how we find solution? So which is linear in Q. So integrate, general solution is Q into integrating factor. Q into integrating factor is equal to integration of E by R, that is the right hand side of the differential equation, into integrating factor e raised to t by RC dt plus constant of integration k. Now this e by r constant I take outside integral. Integration of e raised to t by RC is e raised to t by RC upon 1 by RC plus constant k. Okay, so Q into e to the power t by RC is equal to this R get cancel, इस C ऊपर जाएगा, ये C यहाँ पर क्या हो रहा है, यहाँ पर EC आना चाहिए, EC यहाँ पर EC चाहिए, मीन्स ये C ऊपर जाएगा. सो Q बाई सी, एस सी ने उन्होंने डिवाइड किया है, C ने K में शिफ्ट करके. ओके, नो प्रॉब्लम. देन देखो ये C कॉमन लेके इधर कैसे, ये Q बाई सी, okay, Q by C into e raised to t by RC is equal to E into e raised to t by RC. Means actually this step is, we will write here one more step, Q into e to the power t by RC is equal to EC plus K is equal to EC plus K. Okay, now if we divide both side by e raised to t by RC, actually this step is wrong here. If we divide throughout both side by e to the power here also e to the power t by RC present, means this, and if we divide e to the power t by RC, then that get cancelled. So Q is equal to EC प्लस हमें मिलेगा यहाँ पर k इंटू ई टू द पावर माइनस टी बाय आर सी, ऐसा मिलेगा. नाउ गिवन दैट एट इनिशियली स्टेज एट टाइम t इक्वल टू 0 के लिए चार्ज क्या होता है 0. यदि यहाँ पर पुट किया तो क्या मिलेगा, देखो 0 इक्वल टू ई सी प्लस के, मीन्स के की वैल्यू क्या मिलेगी हमें माइनस ई सी. यदि के की वैल्यू यहाँ पर पुट की माइनस ई सी, तो ई सी माइनस ई सी इंटू ई टू द पावर माइनस टी बाय आर सी, उससे ई सी कॉमन लिया एंड सी ने डिवाइड किया तो मुझे ये इक्वेशन मिलेगा. मीन्स क्यू बाय सी इक्वल टू ई इंटू 1 माइनस ई टू द पावर टी बाय माइनस टी बाय आर सी. सो दिस इज द वोल्टेज एट एनी टाइम टी. ओके, देन नेक्स्ट प्रॉब्लम इज when switch is closed in a circuit containing a battery E, battery given E, a resistance capital R and an inductance L. The current I builds up at rate given by L di by dt plus Ri equal to E. Means model of electrical circuit is given here. In problem, circuit contains resistance R, inductance L, means L di by dt plus Ri is equal to E. So equation is given. Find I as a function of t, means we have to find current I in terms of t first. How long it will be, means additional question है, how long it will be before the current has reached 1/2 its maximum value. Means first we have to find I in terms of t. Okay, and then we have to find maximum current here and take half of that I max, then we have to find time t. So this is our question by using E equal to 6 volt, R equal to 100 ohm and L equal to 0.1 Henry. So let us see how to solve this problem. So first given equation is L di by dt plus Ri equal to E. So method is same. If we divide by L, then we get di by dt plus R by L into I equal to E by L. So this is linear in I. Okay, so integrating factor is equal to e raised to integration of R by L, because P is R by L here. R by L into dt is equal to e raised to integration of RT by L. And general solution is, which is linear in I, so you can write I into e to the power RT by L is equal to integration of right hand side of differential equation is E by L, means this one E by L into integrating factor, means under integral आएगा E by L into e raised to RT by L plus constant of integration K. So if you take E by L outside integral, integration of e raised to RT by L is e raised to RT by L upon R by L plus constant K. Then divide both side by e raised to RT by L, so we get current I equal to, देखो ये L यहाँ पर कैंसिल हो गया, E by R plus K into e to the power minus RT by L. ये हो गया करंट I in terms of t. Now if you use here initial condition at time t equal to 0 के लिए charge 0 होता है, and if charge is 0 then current is also 0. If we put here, then we get 0 equal to E by R plus K into e raised to 0, that is 1. So the value of K is minus E by R. If we put here, then we can take E by R common. So first part is here, current I as a function of t is, that is I equal to E by R into bracket 1 minus e to the power minus RT by L. Okay, now additional question is, मी देखो प्रॉब्लम हम फिर से देखेंगे. प्रॉब्लम में क्या दिया था कि हाउ फाइंड करंट I एज ए फंक्शन ऑफ t. देखो यहाँ पर करंट I एज ए फंक्शन ऑफ t, यहाँ तक तो कवर हो गया. आगे क्या है अभी, हाउ लॉन्ग इट विल बी बिफोर द करंट हैज रीच्ड 1/2 इट्स मैक्सिमम वैल्यू. So for this we have to find maximum current. So when we get maximum current, for that we have to use current I in terms of t. देखो हम मैक्सिमम करंट कब मिलता है, जब टाइम मैक्सिमम होता है, मीन्स एज टी टेंस टू इन्फिनिटी वी गेट मैक्सिमम करंट आई मैक्स। ये जो आया है करंट आई इन टर्म्स ऑफ टी, इसमें यदि टी की वैल्यू मैंने यहाँ पर इन्फिनिटी पुट की तो ई रेस टू माइनस इन्फिनिटी मिलेगा। देखो माइनस आर बाई एल इंटू इन्फिनिटी, रेस टू माइनस इन्फिनिटी क्या होता है, ज़ीरो। सो मैक्सिमम करंट क्या आएगा, ई बाय आर इंटू वन माइनस ज़ीरो, दैट इज maximum current is equal to, or Imax is equal to E by R. Okay, so we have to find time t when one half of the Imax. So take half of Imax. Half of Imax is this, means ये मैक्सिमम करंट है, इसका यदि हाफ लिया तो वो क्या मिलेगा मुझे, E बाई टू आर। ओके, अब करंट I क्या था इन टर्म्स ऑफ टी, जो लास्ट पेज पे दिया था ये वाला, ये यहाँ पर हमें हाफ ऑफ आई मैक्स पुट करके इस इक्वेशन से इक्वेट करके टाइम टी फाइंड करना है। ओके, सो ई बाई टू आर, दिस इज द हाफ ऑफ आई मैक्स इज इक्वल टू ई बाई टू आर, दिस इज द हाफ ऑफ आई मैक्स, that is E by 2R, and current I in terms of T is this, that is E by R into 1 minus e raised to minus RT by L. So using this we have to find time T. So E by R get cancel here, 1 by 2, देखो ये E by R कैंसिल हो तो 1 by 2 इक्वल टू 1 माइनस ये रहेगा, इस 1 को इधर लिया तो 1 by 2 माइनस 1 हो जाएगा, 1 by 2 माइनस 1 इज माइनस 1 by 2, माइनस माइनस प्लस होगा। सो वी गेट हियर 1 by 2 इक्वल टू ई रेस टू माइनस आर टी बाई एल। सो वी वांट टी, तो आगे क्या मिलेगा, माइनस आर टी बाई एल इक्वल टू लॉग ऑफ 1 by 2, एंड लॉग ऑफ 1 by 2 क्या होता है, माइनस लॉग 2, तो ये माइनस माइनस प्लस हो गया, टी इक्वल टू एल बाय आर लॉग 2 आया। ओके, अभी एल की वैल्यू प्रॉब्लम में गिवन है 0.1 हेनरी एंड रेजिस्टेंस गिवन है आर इज इक्वल टू 100 ओम। यहाँ पर पुट करके कैलकुलेटर से सॉल्व किया तो मुझे टाइम मिलेगा 0.006931 seconds. Okay, so this is the second application of first order differential equation, that is modeling of electrical circuit. In next lecture we will see next application, that is heat flow, means conduction of heat using Fourier law of heat conduction. Thank you.